Nestled in the heart of the Catskill Mountains, New York, Innovative Products of America, IPA, is an original equipment manufacturer of professional tools and equipment for over 25 years. We solve problems for the technicians and industries we serve by creating innovative, first-time tools. Our mission is to be at the forefront of maintenance solutions while offering an uncompromising commitment to our customers. IPA's on-site soldering, CNC, welding, fabrication, and mechanical production lines are supported by a team of electrical and mechanical engineers, along with a full-service sales and marketing department. These elements allow IPA to offer cutting-edge solutions, holding true to the company motto, Future Now. Innovative Products of America is the industry's largest and leading manufacturer of trailer testers in the world. Our products also include specialty and diagnostic tools, abrasives, contact care, towing diagnostics. Our commitment to quality extends to our 24-hour repair or replace warranty. This policy ensures that you are never without your IPA products for long. Our customer service and repair teams are trained to respond quickly to meet the needs of the distributor, franchise, salesperson, and the end customer using our products. To all of our customers, we sincerely thank you for your interest, continued support, and feedback on our products as we continue the innovation forging our way into the future now.